In this video, we'll show you some of the best places to shop for locally made handicrafts, affordable clothing, collectibles, electronic gadgets, jewelry, and many more. This shopping guide will also feature some of the popular malls in Manila. SM Mega Mall is one of the biggest malls in the Philippines. If there's a particular item that you're looking for, chances are you will find it among one of the countless stores in this mall. Its 5 sections known as Building A, B, C, D, and the atrium are all interconnected. It features a wide array of dining options from affordable food stalls to expensive restaurants. Be sure to check out Kultura, where traditional locally made crafts and products can be found. This mall also offers recreational activities such as ice skating and bowling. Cyberzone is where you can find electronic gadgets and accessories. The department store has extensive shopping options such as bags, shoes, clothing, jewelry, and many more. Here are some of the items that you will find. This is the go-to place for people who want to purchase unique handicrafts, tablewares, home decorations, and many more. Check out some of the items that this place has to offer.
Ito, may mga parol pa kami, lahat, ayan. Ayan na, papalakpakan ko ha. Yan. Hello.
Thank you.
Hi. Thank you.
Green Hills is filled with bargain shops where haggling is an absolute must. You will find hundreds of stores selling clothing, electronic gadgets, jewelry, and many more. Collectors will enjoy shopping for various toys and collectibles at Shopsville located on the 3rd floor. Restaurants and other retail outlets can also be found here. This is a huge mall where you can find a good selection of dining options and retail outlets such as shoes, clothing, electronics, and home decorations. Family entertainment centers and cinemas can also be found here. Greenbelt is divided into 5 sections where you can find a wide array of dining options and retail outlets. This mall is highly recommended for shoppers looking for luxury and designer brands. If you're staying within the Manila Bay area, a visit to SM Mall of Asia is highly recommended. Similar to SM Mega Mall, visitors will find countless dining and shopping options. Numerous recreational activities can also be found here.